Good morning, Motorcycle Garage here again. Just want to run through a few things following on from the last video. On the table here I obviously made this, which I mentioned in the last video, which is a brake for the battery, creating a cutout for the battery, which I'll fix the battery and then have the cutout completely under the actual cowl. So therefore in the winter I can completely just pull that easily without having to undo the seat and battery terminals each time, because that's a high ampage voltage connector there. So that's just an idea which I may do for next winter. So, okay, now we're coming into spring, so that I made from scratch using wires and soldered up each eyelet, and also soldered the connections into here. Also made some high tension battery leads, positive and negative. It's not here there, but it's copper wire, thick copper wire, so taking higher loads, making a better starting, where the Ducati ST2 has had problems, but I've cleaned all the terminals now and it starts pretty well anyway, but I thought I'd make them up just for experiment. But they were made from scratch again, soldered ends, and then I've put these black plastic protectors on at the end there, but they were all soldered, so get a good flow of current and no breakage. So they're there to use, or spares really, 2 pairs for the battery, the starter motor leads, also leading on to recently acquired second-hand seat for the Ducati ST2 is this one. It had a lot of damage to it on the leather, which I've repaired and made good, and it now looks quite impressed with it. And also a great big, so you can see a slight mark there where it was, but actually that just dries out. But it's really come up well. It's also broken. It was also broken up here with the catch, which I plastic soldered, as it were, molten plastic into here, which is now stronger than it was originally. So that's good. I just put it on bikes. It's a nice replacement for the summer. I think she looks great. There she is, sitting in all its splendour. Yeah, so there's an extra bit of colour for the Ducati. The Ducati red, and of course the Italian stripes down the side there, which I think looks great. Just a bit of fun really. Again, got it for literally 20 quid. A leather complete seat, which I was so pleased with, because it was badly damaged and the leather was badly scratched and everything, which I renovated from scratch. And also, as I say, the catch at the back, but it's now left a proper working complete seat, so very pleased with that. So that's just a quick update to what's going on with the Ducati at the moment. So have a good day, and I'll keep you posted as things happen. Thanks then.